Good day, everyone. So, mathematics in the modern world. Our first topic here is nature of mathematics. But before that, we have to understand what is all about our subject. So, here is the overview. um, Mathematics in the modern world is about mathematics as a system of knowing or understanding our surroundings. So, this subject, you will appreciate more about mathematics because mathematics is used to our surroundings. So, hindi lang tayo mag-focus sa formulas, sa problem solving, kundi how it is used to knowing or understanding our surroundings, and also provide glimpses into the nature of mathematics and how it is used to understand our world. So maya-maya we will be discussing about nature of mathematics and its use to understand more about our world. So here are some um, views on math and mathematicians. So mathematics are completely useless. So those who really hate mathematics will say this because pwede nilang sabihin mathematics is all about formulas lang, problem solving lang, which is hindi nila na-appreciate ang mathematics. But okay, so we will go there later. So mathematicians are evil soulless geeks. Bakit nila nasasabi to? Because of course, mathematicians, they formulate formulas. They solve problems. Okay, so all mathematicians are mad. Next, the truth about mathematics is rather different. The world, the modern world would not exist without mathematics. All right? So hindi nag-exist ang math, ang world kung wala ang mathematics. So with math, you can tell the future and save lives. Bakit? Kasi mathematics is used in science too. And mathematics is used in all areas of life. In So in short, mathematics is everywhere. So math lies at the different sorry. So math lies at the heart of art and music. So sabi ko nga kanina, math is everywhere. So therefore, pati sa art, sa music, ginagamit ang mathematics. So math is a subject full of mystery, surprise, and magic. So it is not all about how to solve problems, but in this subject, malalaman nyo kung paano ba dapat ginagamit ang mathematics and ano yung mga gamit ng mathematics sa ating buhay. All right. Next. So, for an example is si Maxwell. Maxwell and the discovery of electromagnetic waves. So, he discovered electromagnetic waves, which are electromagnetism, radio, Wi-Fi, TV, radar, mobile phones, microwaves, all come from the work of Maxwell. So, itong mga trabaho na to ni Maxwell is, of course, he used mathematics to this. Without mathematics, so hindi niya magagawa itong mga kanyang mga nadiskubre na mga ito. Okay? So, dito na tayo sa nature of mathematics. So, the laws of nature are about the mathematical thoughts of God. Okay. So, patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the nature world. So, these patterns recur in different contexts and are modeled mathematically. Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, excuse me, spirals, meanders, waves, foams, arrays, cracks, and stripes. Early Greek philosophers studied these patterns with Plato, Pythagoras, and Empedocles attempting to explain order in nature. The modern understanding of visible patterns developed gradually over time. So, patterns. Ano nga ba ang patterns? Nakikita nyo yan sa inyong mga surroundings like leaves, trees, andito yung mga examples, symmetries, spirals. Okay, so those are examples of natural patterns. So, mathematics is seen everywhere and mathematics is seen through patterns. All right. So here, we will be discussing where is mathematics, what is mathematics for, how mathematics done, why is mathematics important to learn or know, who uses mathematics, what is mathematics about, and what is really mathematics. So what is mathematics? Mathematics is developed by human mind and culture is a formal system of thought for recognizing, classifying, and exploring patterns. Okay. So, napaka-importante ng patterns sa mathematics because through patterns, you can see mathematics. So, sabi dito, mathematics is developed by human mind and of course, by culture. Kasi as time passes by, um, nade-develop ang lahat, including mathematics. Okay, mathematics is the art of patterns and connections embedded in nature and our environment. As I have said a while back, through patterns, you can see mathematics. Okay, so, and mathematics is seen everywhere as well as patterns. So, mathematics is an art. Next, where is mathematics in every people's daily task or activity? So, in everything you do, mathematics is involved. Maglakad man kayo, pumunta man kayong school, even kapag ka plano nyo kung ano yung mga isusuot nyo everyday. So, mathematics is involved. In nature, arts, music, medicine, and other disciplines. So, mathematics is seen through this. And of course, mathematics is everywhere. So, lalong-lalo na sa medicine, mathematics is used there. Bakit? Kinakalculate nila yung measurements of medicines needed for that capsule or specific sickness or illness. Okay, so mathematics is everywhere. Next, Fibonacci number. It is an integer in the infinite sequence 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. That um of which the first two terms are 1 and 1, sometimes 0 and 1, and each succeeding term is the sum of the two immediately preceding. So, sa pagkakalculate ng Fibonacci number, i-add mo yung dalawang naunang number at yung susunod na number doon ay yun yung sagot ng yung sum ng kanilang ng dalawang number na yan. For an example, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. So, sumunod na yung 1. And next, i-add mo naman yung 1 and 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So, next is 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So, 3 na yung sumunod. So, next is 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So, 5 na yung sumunod. Next is 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So, the next number is 8. And next is 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. And the next number is 13. So, ano yung susunod sa 13? I-add nyo lang yung 8 plus 13 is equals to 21. So, anong susunod sa 21? I-add nyo lang yung 13 and 34. So, ganun lang ang Fibonacci number. So, the numbers are named after Leonardo Fibonacci, also known as Leonardo of Pisa or Leonardo of Pisano. So, here are examples of Fibonacci number. Fibonacci number is an example of pattern, And here are the examples of Fibonacci number in nature. The plants, sunflower, our ear, okay, yung bunga ng pine tree, our fingerprint, snail, flowers, and other plants. Next, fractals is a rough or fragmented geometric shape that can be subdivided in parts, each of which is at least approximately a reduced size copy of the whole. So, example are the broccoli, wherein each of the smaller buds is made up of even smaller buds. Okay, so pine cone seeds, the cactus plant, the formation of tree branches, and their leaves, plants like fern, the lightning pattern, eh, the feathers of the peacock, and formation of the cloud. So here are examples of fractals. Ito. So it is made of smaller part of it and also made of bigger part of it. Ayan. So as you can see, magkaiba sila sa Fibonacci number. So here are examples of fractals. What is mathematics for? Help us control weather and epidemics. So weather forecast mathematics is used. So the Department of Science and Technology, they are using mathematics for our weather forecast. So how would they detect the coming weather? So they are using mathematics. So math provides tools for calculations, provides new questions to think about. So hindi lang tumitigil ang mathematics. Kung may na-discover, hindi lang hanggang doon, kundi it is also continuous. Next, what is mathematics about? Numbers. It is all about numbers, symbols, notations, operations, equations, functions, calculations, abstraction, and devising proof. So next is, how is mathematics done? Of course, with curiosity, with the penchant of seeing patterns and generalities, with desire to know the truth, with trial and error, without fear of facing more questions and problem to solve. So katulad nga ni Maxwell kanina, without mathematics, hindi na na-discover yung kaniyang mga discoveries like Wi-Fi, radio, magnetic, and others. So by curiosity, by trial and error, okay, Maxwell is successfully created those discoveries. Next, who uses mathematics? Of course, mathematician, scientist, natural and social, everyone. But different people use different math and different at different times for different purposes, using different tools with different attitudes. So every one of us is using mathematics. Sabi ko nga kanina, in daily lives we use mathematics. Next, why is mathematics important to learn? Everyone agrees that learning math can be difficult, but some people believe mathematics is important and some people believe it is not. So it is by Bianco 2015. It helps us become better persons. It helps make a world a better place to live in. So that's all about the nature of mathematics. We'll go further about this topic because napakaraming examples ng patterns. Meron ding calculations about patterns. And ayan, nasagot na yung ating mga tanong kanina na why mathematics is important, who use math, and all. Okay, so thank you for listening. You have to be careful with or in taking down notes, the important topic or matters about this topic. Okay.